Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about some of my favorite products from the month of July. We have reached towards the end of July, however, due to the lockdown going on and due to the several restrictions that were imposed upon us, I couldn't really shop as much. However, I do have a few products for you guys that I have loved and enjoyed throughout the month of July. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with my favorite movie of the month. So the movie that I'm going to be talking about is not something that I'm watching for the first time. It's actually a rewatch, but I think every time I watch this movie, I enjoy it, a little more than the previous time. So the movie is called Manchester by the Sea. It is also one of the Academy Award nominees, and it had also won. Casey Affleck, the protagonist of the film, had also won an Academy Award for being the best actor portrayed in this film. Not a very happy feel-good film, but the ending is really nice and I just love this film. You can give it a watch. It is absolutely one of my favorites. The next film on my list is The Proposal. Now, The Proposal is probably the first film that I watched that featured Sandra Bullock, and since then I have been a complete fan. It's a beautiful film, funny, witty, does have a sort of moral quotient behind it. So overall, it's a very, very good watch. Now, it's time for my favorite shows of the month. The show that I enjoyed watching thoroughly would be Panchayat on Amazon Prime. It also features Jitendra Kumar, who also played the role of Jitu Bhaiya in Kota Factory. A lot of you might be knowing this. It's a beautifully portrayed and a very, very well written show. It's about a man who is an MBA aspirant but is unable to get into a good MBA college. So, while preparing for MBA, he gets into a government job, and the rest of the series is about the series of events that follow. It's a very well written show, very believable, very well scripted, well written, great acting, great screenplay, and I have all good things to say about this show. On Netflix, I have watched and enjoyed the show Bodyguard. It's a thriller cop drama where a military person becomes the bodyguard of a well-known politician in England. And you also get to see Richard Madden, also known as Robb Stark from the Game of Thrones. The show is also really gripping, really great, well written, well filmed. And overall, all in all, I really, really enjoyed watching it. On Hotstar this time, I watched the show Special Ops. Now, this show has been, I think, in the news for a very long time. It features my favorite actor, KK Menon, and it's got other actors too, like Karan Thakur and Sana Khan. This story delves into some secrets and certain things that were left untold during the Parliament attack in India in 2005, and how terrorism operates, how it's not just restricted to Pakistan but it's also connected to the Middle East and everything. All in all, a great show, a very well written show. Of course, there are, when you make a show of this magnitude, there are certain flaws and loopholes which are bound to happen, but overall, if you look at it, it's a very well written show. Up next is my favorite book of the month, and I have this book called Siddharth by Hermann Hesse. Now, this book is very, very affordable, retails for about 100 rupees. You're going to find it on Amazon, Flipkart, wherever. It's a great book. It explores the genre of spirituality, knowledge, wisdom, and I think I personally have learned a lot from this book. So it's not really about Gautam Buddha, it's about another individual who's called Siddharth, just in case you're wondering. But it's a very, very well written book, and anybody can read this book. You are an avid reader, whether you are somebody who wants to get into reading but is still intimidated by the idea of it. I think all of you are going to enjoy this book because it's very well written. It's a very short book. It's about 160 pages long, so it's not going to be difficult for you guys to read. Okay then, now coming to my favorite makeup products of the month, I have 3 products to show to you guys this time. First off, I have this lipstick, which is the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade Soft Wine. Now, this is what I have on my lips right now. It's a beautiful deep wine red shade, and it's got that, sangria wine color. I have made a video on this. I'm going to be linking it here, wherever. I've made a video on lipsticks and wherein I have swatched this lipstick, so you can go over and watch that video. It's a very good lipstick, great pigmentation, great formula, does not dry out your lips at all, which is very rare for liquid lipsticks. Okay, up next I have the Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade 02 dark brown. This is what I have on my eyelids. This is what I have on my eyebrows right now. It is a pencil that you're going to have to sharpen, and it comes with a spoolie in the end. The only problem is that there is a certain product wastage because of the fact that you have to sharpen this again and again to be able to use it. But this is a great color, not too dark, not too light, has a waxy texture, does not make your eyebrows look like they are, clown eyebrows. And the spoolie is also pretty decent. It retails for about, I think, 250 or 300 rupees, and I think in that price range this is a great product. Okay, so the last product on my list is the Sugar Contour Day Force Mini Blush in the shade 04 Salmon Superstar. So this is what the blush looks. As you can see, the shade is more like a peachy coral with a little bit of pinks in it. It's a beautiful shade, stays on your cheeks easily for 5 to 6 hours if you're not sweating that much. And I love this shade. It's for $2.99 I think, but if you are buying it on a sale, you're going to get it for around 250 to 70 rupees, which I think is a great deal for a product like this. Now coming to my favorite skincare items, first up on my list is this one, which is the Dot & Key Skincare Glow Revealing Vitamin C Serum Concentrate. Now this serum has a vitamin C as well as hyaluronic acid. I have been using this throughout the month of July, and I have genuinely seen a difference in my skin with continuous usage. It did help me with clearing up my skin a little bit and also gave me a more even toned complexion. So I really like this product, more so because of the ingredients present in it. I'm going to have to try it out more, but so far so good. I really liked it and I'm going to recommend it to you guys if you're looking for an affordable vitamin C serum. Okay, so before I talk about the next product, I'm going to give you a little bit of a disclaimer regarding my skin type. I have combination to oily, acne prone skin, and I am my skin is extremely prone to fungal acne. So yeah, keeping that out of the way, I'm bringing in our next product and my next favorite of the month. It's the Body Shop Vitamin E Nourishing Night Cream, and it's for all skin types. I've been wearing this all throughout monsoon when my skin is usually at its complete worst, but I really enjoy this product. This also helps me get rid of my pimples here and there a little bit and helps me with clearing my skin out. So I love the texture of it. I love this cream, does not make my skin greasy, suits all skin types, and yeah, I would recommend it. Next, I have two products from my washroom essentials. So I have the Herbal Essence White Strawberry and Sweet Mint Conditioner. I bought it on the recommendation of Shreya Jain. I remember she featured this product in one of her videos and said that it smells divine. So I really wanted to try this out. Looking at the name, you might think that this is a 100% organic product, but it's not like that. This product does contain a lot of chemicals in it, but it has 0% colorants and gluten, and I'm assuming this is also sulfate free. So the good thing about this product is it is pretty moisturizing because my hair is extremely dry and frizzy. This conditioner really helps with that. It does help combat the frizz to a great extent, if not completely. So the smell of this is amazing. It smells really good, and the smell will last on your hair for around 2 to 3 days before you wash it again. So yeah, I would really recommend this product to you guys if you are looking for something which is decently moisturizing for your frizzy dry hair and also gives a good smell. The last product from my Bath Essentials would be this fragrance mist from Bath and Body Works. It's in the flavor Cucumber Melon. Now I can't really stress enough on how much exactly I love this product. If you have to buy one thing from this entire list, I would suggest you to buy this one. This is probably my third or fourth bottle. It really justifies the name Cucumber Melon because it's not entirely sweet or entirely fresh. I think it's sort of like a middle ground between fresh and sweet. It does have the freshness of cucumber and the sweetness of melon. Overall, the concoction is amazing, something that I have been using for the last 2 years, and this is the only perfume that I have been wearing, not perfume, fragrance mist that I have been wearing for the last 2 years. Now it's time for 2 of my favorite hygiene products of the month. Since I wear braces, I have to take extra care of my oral hygiene. So, commercial products like Listerine and Colgate Plaques, these things don't work that well for me. So, my dentist recommended the Dr. Reddy's Clohex Antiseptic and Anti-Plaque mouthwash. I really like this mouthwash. I have used a couple of other medicated mouthwashes before, but the moment I use this, I can feel a difference in the quality of this mouthwash. You can see how much I have used it. I have used this up completely in the month of July itself. I would recommend it to you guys if you guys have braces, or even if you don't have braces, if you just want, with everything going on around us, I think it's extremely important to maintain oral hygiene as well. So I would highly recommend this one to you guys. And last but not the least, I have the BioNectral Instant Disinfectant Spray Multi-Purpose Surface Cleaner for hard and soft surfaces. Now this is ideal to use on vehicle, computer, mobile, hands, furniture, and it is made with ethanol. So a lot of these products are now available in the market. You have one from Savlon, you have one from Lifebuoy. You've got these things from different brands, but I think I have used the Savlon one and the one from Lifebuoy also. I think I liked this one better than the Savlon one. If you want, you can also buy the Savlon one. However, I like this one better. That's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I have uploaded a video of affordable lipstick swatches as my first video ever on YouTube, which I am going to be linking in the bottom bar and also in the I button above. I don't know where exactly, but I'm going to be linking it. Please don't forget to check that out. Leave a comment in the comment section for me. It would mean the world to me to hear your feedback, your recommendations, your suggestions. And stay safe, stay healthy. Please wash your hands properly and do sanitize before and after leaving your house. Wear a mask every time you are going outside and try to stay indoors as much as possible. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care all of you. Bye.